All right, let's talk a little bit about tax structure, because a lot of people are just out there doing it the old way. Folks, we don't live in the old world anymore. Having a holding company own this company, and then this trust over here owns this, and then I got this in this other country, offshore, overseas account over here, and I live in Puerto Rico for 6 months out of the year. You don't need to do all this stuff. You don't need a holding company. What you need is an estate. You need a private estate. A private estate trumps all of that shit. The private estate is private. It's private. It can own businesses, cars. It can invest in crypto, stocks, and no one will even know it's you. That's called privacy, folks. Why do you think wealthy people, like they were going after Donald Trump's tax returns for fucking how long? Never got them? That's because they're private. They're hiding behind a private estate or a private foundation. Wealthy people, I'm going to keep screaming it every day until the fucking light bulb goes off. Wealthy people don't make money. Listen to me clearly. Wealthy people do not make income. They create income, but they're creating it for an entity that doesn't have to pay taxes. That's it. The reason you pay taxes is because you're in a contract. Either you're operating as an individual or you're an individual that fucking owns a business. That is all income that is coming to you, and you are owned by the government, and you will always pay taxes. Folks, listen to me. You can't own things. Nelson Rockefeller said, own nothing and control everything. Rich people control their wealth. They don't own it. When you control it, you get to enjoy it. You get to do all the same shit as when you own it. But when you fucking own something, you have all the liability. If somebody wants to take it, they're going to come after you. And because you own it, they can get to your assets. Listen, create a private estate and your life will become simple. Stop owning your shit. Stop owning your LLC. Stop getting K1s. You need the trust to generate the K1, to get the K1 so that we can defer the taxes into perpetuity and then move it into an insurance policy where we continue generating interest off of it year after year after year, and we're building equity through death benefit. Oh my God, I could go on forever. Book an appointment with me and my team, folks, and we will show you these concepts, okay? Spend a little money to get on our calendar, and I promise you it'll be the best value that you've ever had, because no one else is going to teach you this shit. Love you all.